children, how are you? Welcome back. We are in block 3 lesson 2, adding mentally 2-digit number plus 2-digit number. The aim of today's lesson is adding 2-digit numbers by counting forward mentally. Okay, adding 2-digit numbers by counting forward mentally. You all know skip counting, right? Skip counting by 10, skip counting by 5. So skip counting is very helpful in adding mentally. Now see here, when we add a number ending with 0 to a 2-digit number, we count forward by number of tens in that number. See, I'll give you an example. 20 is ending with 0, right? 20 has how many tens? It has 2 tens. If you want to add this number 20 to a 2-digit number, say 47, we have to count forward by 2 tens because 20 has 2 tens in it. So 47 is the number. We have to add 2 tens. 57, 67. So 20 plus 47 is 67. When you add a number ending with 0, you just have to count forward by number of tens. Okay. Now children, let's add 2-digit numbers using 100 chart. You are going to add 2-digit number using 100 chart. So for that there are 3 basic steps. The first step is to start with a bigger number. Always start with a bigger number. Second step is to count the number of tens present in the smaller number. Okay, you have to count the number of tens present in the smaller number. And the third step is to count the number of ones present in again the smaller number. Okay, I'll give you one example so that it is more clear for you. See, for example, we have to add 24 and 52. So which is the bigger number, children? 52. 52 is the bigger number. So our first step is to start with the bigger number. Now find where is 52 in this 100 chart. It is here. So mark it. You got 52 here. Now see the smaller number. Smaller number is 24. 24 has how many tens? 2 tens. Skip count 2 tens from 52. So 62, 72. Right. Now count forward number of ones as in the smaller number. So smaller number again is 24. How many ones it has? It has 4 ones. From here you have to count forward 4 ones. 73, 74, 75, 76. You reach number 76. Children, the answer of 24 plus 52 is 76. So what did we do? Shall we revise once? We started with a bigger number, then we skip count the number of tens as in smaller number. There are 2 tens, so 2 times 62, 72. Then we count forward number of ones as in small number. So 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we reach 76. This is how we do addition of 2-digit numbers using 100 chart. How to add mentally without using 100 chart? Now let us take an example over here. 37 plus 56. Without a 100 chart, you have to add it in your mind mentally. Okay. So again we will start with the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 56 is the bigger number. We have to skip count forward by number of tens as in smaller number. So 56, start with the bigger number 56. Think of 56 in your mind. Think of the bigger number, that is we start with 56. Then we count forward in our head by 3 tens. Why are we counting by 3 tens? Because 37 has 3 tens in it. So 56, skip count by 10, 3 times. 66, 76, 86. We reached 86. Now our last step is to count forward number of ones present in the small number. So 37 has how many ones? 7 ones. So from 86 we have to count forward 7 ones as 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. So we reach 93. See? So the answer for 37 plus 56 is 93. So what did you do, children? Always start with a bigger number, skip count forward by tens as in small number, and again skip count by number of ones as in small number. This is how you do mentally without using 100 chart. Open your workbook. Block 3S2, adding mentally 2-digit numbers. The first question over here is write the sum of each addition statement in the box. You have to write the sum of each of this addition sentence. The first question is 56 plus 10. We already know that if a number ends with 0, we just have to add the number of tens. So 56 plus 10. 10. It has 1 10. 56 plus 10 is 66. Question number B. 34 plus 20. See, 20 is again ending with a 0. So 20 has 2 tens. 34 plus 20. 44. 54. 54 is the answer. 2 times you have to add tens. 40. 40 is again ending with a 0. 40 means 4 tens. To 46 you have to add 4 tens. 46, 56, 66, 76, 86. 4 tens. Okay, so the answer is 86. Question number 2 is add mentally and mark the answer on the 100 charts. There are 300 charts and 3 questions given here. You have to add mentally. I already told you the steps in my previous class how to add mentally. First you have to think of the bigger number. 33 plus 15. Which is the bigger number? 33. Think of the bigger number. Then skip count the number of tens in the smaller number. How many tens it has? Only 15 has only 1 10. So 33 becomes 43. Then count forward the number of ones. It has 5 ones. So after 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. You reach 48. So the answer is 48. For this one also in the similar way you have to do. Bigger number is 45. So start from 45. Okay. First add the number of tens from the smaller number. Smaller number is having 3 tens. So 45, 55, 65, 75. You reach 75. Now count forward 7 times because 37 is having 7 ones. So children, from 75 you have to count forward 7 times. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. You reach 82. So 82 you can mark here and write the answer. In the similar way do for the question number C also. 75 plus 21. Start with 75, count, skip count the number of tens, then count the number of ones. See question number 3. Mike made 14 paper boards and Kate made 33 paper boards. How many paper boards did they both make together? Together means you have to add both of them together. Addition 33 plus 14. So again in the same way, keep the bigger number, start with the bigger number, count the number of tens, then count forward the number of ones. Okay, 33 plus 14. The homework for today is page number 17, lesson 2, question number 1, 2 and 3. First question is write whether true or false. Add mentally and check whether the addition sentence is true or false. The second question is find the sum. Add mentally. Solve the problems. story problems are there. Write statements and do the addition. Thank you.